To create an adaptive form, we're going to click the compass icon, click Forms, Forms and Document. Now we're able to create an adaptive form. So we're going to click the Create button, select Adaptive Form from the drop-down that appears. So right now we're presenting with different templates. For this video, we're going to click blank, click Next, give it a title, so call it Customer Form. And then when you fill out these fields, click the Create button. You're presented with this message. Click the Open button. Wait for a few seconds. You can see that it's generating the customer form, and now we're presented with a blank form. So now what we want to do is search for the header component, drag it onto the form right above where it says drag components here. We can see now that we're presented with logo and image. So we can switch over to our asset view, and then we'll drag an image from here onto the image container. Now we can see our logo has the image in place. So we click on preview, we can take a look at our form with logo. So now we're ready to start building out the different fields on the form. What we want to do now is select the numeric box. This is going to represent our customer ID. Click the wrench icon, and underneath element name, we'll put in customer ID, and then under title, we'll simply add customer ID. Once done, we'll hit the checkbox, the done button. Now we can see the form's updated with our changes. Now we're going to add a text box to our form. Once again, click the wrench icon to configure it. Change the element name from the default value to customer name. And then here in the title, we can say, just enter in name. Click the done button. You can see the form's updated with our changes. So I've repeated this process a few times, so now we have our address. So we click on the wrench icon, we can see the element name is customer shipping address, and then the title is address. And for state, we see the element name is customer _ state, and then the title is state. Now we're going to enter another numeric box. Click the wrench icon. We're going to replace the element name, customer zip code. Under the title, we'll just enter zip code, and then we're going to set the maximum number of digits to 6, and then click the done button. And now we can see that we have a zip code now on the form. The last field we're going to put onto the form is an email box. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the email, put it onto the form, click the wrench icon, and then we're going to change the element name from the default to customer email. We'll keep the title at the default email, click the done. Now we'll preview our form in the preview mode, and we can see that we built up a customer form that has the following fields: customer ID, name, address, state, zip, and email. So the final thing we'll put onto the form is a submit button. So now notice that the submit button's there. Once again, we'll preview it in the preview mode. And we can see the submit button is successfully displayed underneath the email.